Hello friends, Rahul here. I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and we are based in Calgary, Canada. And today we are talking about vulnerable open work permit. This is the sixth video in the same series. In the previous videos, we have talked about what is vulnerable open work permit, who requires that, how to apply, and all other things. And in this video, we will talk about the type of evidence which can be used when anybody wants to apply for vulnerable open work permit. So, particularly, this vulnerable open work permit is applied by a foreign worker who is working in Canada on a closed work permit. And if they are facing abuse or they are facing any trouble and they think employer is not fair to them, then this is one of the solution that they don't have to work in that atmosphere in that place, and then they apply for this, and then if your application is accepted, then you are given a open work permit which is valid for 1 year. So in this application, the type of evidence which can be used is a letter, statement, or report from an abuse support organization. So there are uh, organizations in different communities, so you can use that, or also from medical doctor, healthcare professionals. Second, a sworn statement, also known as affidavit from yourself. So you can write whatever is happening with you and why you are applying this and what has happened to you. Everything, and this has to be in detail. Do not leave anything. Right from from point A till Z. Write the whole thing. And also you can use, if you have a co-worker or if you know somebody who knows what is happening with you, something wrong, so they can also help you in writing this, and then they have to provide their name and their phone number, email address, and then uh, that can also be used. Copy of an official complaint submitted to a provincial government agency, enforcement agency, such as Employment Standard Branch. So if you complain about the something wrong is happening with you, and you complain to ESDC, then you also attach that complaint with you. Victim impact statement. So this is also very important, and it has a web link in this. And if you will click on this, it comes like this, and it says victim impact statement. Uh, what is it? This is a written statement from a victim that describes the physical or emotional harm, property damage, or economic loss within the victim of an offense who has suffered this. The court must take this statement into account when an offender is sentenced. So this is also their victim impact statement, very important. Email or text messages. This is also very important because usually the employer, they will email you or they will text you saying that you have to do this or you have to come on the wrong hours, like whatever wrong you are thinking, then attach this email or text messages. Pay stubs or bank statements, or your pay stubs, because it has your working hours, how much you are paid. Or if it's a payroll fraud, then you have uh, you have the statement which says you are paid this, and but you are paying back this much to the employer. So yeah, this can be used. This photos showing injuries or working conditions. Take some pictures if you want to apply for this one movable open work permit. So you have the proof, and because the visa officer, they don't know what is actually happening with you. So um, uh, they say a picture is worth thousand words. So yeah, take take pictures. This will definitely help. Witness testimony, and it also says the list above includes examples of evidence. You may have other types of evidence also. If these are just the examples which immigration has mentioned in their website, but if you have other proofs which you think they can justify your application, then please add as much as proof you can to help visa officer to understand your application and to provide a positive result to your application, and to approve your application. Yeah. When you are applying for one open work permit, try to include as much as evidence you can. Yeah, that's all from here. Thank you so much.